Hey, what's up, ISSA family? Danny Marowinski here, founder and CEO of Exit Build. And guys, we have a digital marketing firm that has an exclusive partnership with ISSA to specifically help service you, the ISSA member. So, one of our big concepts as we look into the cleaning facility maintenance industry as a whole is this idea that if what if we just came in and left it a little bit better than we found it? So, how could we do that? Honestly, if you look at the websites across the entire industry, what if we just made them look modern, fresh, on a modern tech stack in your ownership? And what if we could do that at a fraction of the cost? Well, that's exactly what we're here to do, guys. And I want you to think for a second, not just about your business, but as your ecosystem, your entire industry. Imagine if every single member in ISSA all refresh their website with a brand new tech stack. What would that do for you, your business, and your growth? That's what we're here to do. And normally these types of packages are like $10,000. We're doing it for just two small payments of $24.99, and we're guaranteeing that we're going to get your site live in 30 days. So click the link below, reach out to us. You're going to be able to schedule a meeting both with myself and my VP of marketing. We're going to give you a one-on-one consultation about what your needs are. We're going to go through the process, and let's get you guys all brand new sites within the next 30 days.